guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, I was having an error on my Google Chrome. I just fixed this kind of error, so I'm going to show you how to fix this kind of error in a very simple way. First, if you having this error, you can clear your search history from right over here. Pressing Ctrl plus F, you can clear your search history if you're having this problem. I have cleared my history, and if still you are not able to access your Chrome, you can minimize. You can go to Chrome, right click over here, go to properties. After that, select over here, select over here and select over here. It will be untick, just tick and go for Windows, and doesn't matter what kind of Windows you are using, click apply and click OK. And if this method still doesn't work for you, so what you have to do is go over here to search box and search for services right over here. In services, go down until you can find Google Chrome right over here. Double click on that and click over here to start. After that, click OK and check if it is working or not. It will definitely work. If it is still not working, you have final option. What you have to do is press on your keyboard Windows plus R over here, MS config, and click OK. Go to over here and disable all. It will ask you to restart your system, and after that same process, go once again and enable all and hit apply, and that's all. Definitely your problem will be fixed of this error. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe.